Here we go. Stereo recording.
Biplane day.
Oh wow, that just floats. It does. It flies beautiful.
I'm gonna have to get one of my biplanes out here at the field and try to fly it.
I think I've lost it already. No, there it is. Trying to come back to a slow one, but I was too high that last time. Oh, nice. I got a nice pass of it. At least on one camera. Oh, lost you again. Next pass, can you kill all the horseflies? I was hoping maybe the exhaust of Wayne's plane would actually wipe them out, but I think they like nitro. I think they're getting a buzz off of it. It caught your hat and went out of focus.
Really?
There we are.
Well, see if I can get this.
That flies beautiful.
Well, I used to get to see it fly. You know it's capable of flying.
Well, I always thought, did I fail something on building this? Because it just flew so terrible at first.
I think he was talking about the blue one. I'm coming in.
Alrighty.
Oh!
What was that?
I got a
That
wing.
thing does fly a little squirrely at times.
It was a wind tip over.
Yeah, there's a bit of gust going on.
Here, I almost think that thing flies squirrely
Oh.
because of how short the wings are.
Beep.
Nothing major. That's typical of what happens when I crash it.
Yeah, probably time for mowing.
I'd rather
I had to check the schedule. It might be my turn. There we go.
Alright, see if I can land it better this time.
Oh,
Lost it.
what happened?
I don't know. I had no control.
Gee,
Brownout.
guess so.
Holy shit.
Looks like glue again.
Yep.
Bummer.
It is.
Little bit of glue, she'll be good as new.